City Academy is a new build secondary school with sixth form provision. It was designed for 1,100 students and it replaced the original building, which was from the 1950s and 60s. Good acoustics benefits everyone learning within a teaching space, not only from an intelligibility point of view, but also on their work performance and their behaviour. And it's not also students who benefit, it's also the teachers in making sure that their voice levels and vocal effort is protected. As a multi-purpose space, the atrium can sometimes have quite conflicting acoustic requirements. You've got to consider mainly speech use, where the reverberation conditions need to be quite short. That's in conflict with musical performance, where a longer reverberation time is more desirable. We started with a 3D acoustic model, and that described all the surfaces, the room dimensions, the surface properties, so how sound absorbent or sound reflective those surfaces were. It was used to predict acoustic criteria like the reverberation time, like sound strength and sound pressure level. Once we had those, we were then able to go forward and create an auralisation of the space. It was really good to see the client's reaction because we used imagery as well as the sound files. It did just mean that the client could have an instant understanding of what it was we were trying to auralise. They could see the difference in the sound quality. It certainly illustrated to them why such an extent of sound absorbent treatment was necessary. Once the building had been finished, we visited the site for commissioning tests. It was fantastic to actually go in and experience the space being used, experience the circulation and the life that was going on in that space, and it wasn't noisy. The sound was controlled, it helped their behaviour. You could really see the benefits for all the different multi-purpose activities that were needing to take place in that space. The project was nominated in 2013 for the Association of Noise Consultants Awards, and it was commended under Architectural Acoustics. The judges highlighted our early involvement and influence on the design. They were also impressed by the innovative aspects. To find that acoustics is such a successful aspect of the project, but also the extra benefit of the community receiving the space so well has been particularly rewarding.